Are you looking for the ultimate protein-packed foods to fuel your active lifestyle? Look no further. We've compiled a list of the top 5 highest protein foods to help you reach your health and fitness goals. These supercharged options are not only delicious, but also a great way to maintain and build muscle mass. Get ready to power up with these protein-packed winners. First on our list is lean chicken breast, packed with an impressive 31 grams of protein per 100-gram serving. This low-fat option is a staple for many fitness enthusiasts. Not only is it easy to cook, but it also provides essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. Whether grilled, baked, or sautéed, lean chicken breast is a versatile choice that can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes. Next up, we have eggs, a classic and affordable protein source. With approximately 6 grams of protein per large egg, this versatile food should not be overlooked. Eggs are not only nutrient-dense, but also contain essential vitamins and minerals. They are a great way to kickstart your day and keep you energized throughout. Scrambled, boiled, or poached, there are numerous ways to enjoy your protein-packed eggs. Moving on, we cannot forget about the mighty tuna fish, packed with around 30 grams of protein per 100-gram serving. This flavorful seafood is a favorite among athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. Not only is it an excellent source of lean protein, but it's also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to promote heart health. Enjoy it in a salad, sandwich, or sushi roll for a delicious and nutritious meal. For our vegetarian friends, lentils are a must-have. These small legumes pack a protein punch with approximately 9 grams of protein per cooked 100-gram serving. Lentils are not only a great source of protein, but also high in fiber, iron, and folate. With their versatility, you can easily incorporate lentils into soups, stews, salads, or even veggie burgers. They are a powerhouse of nutrition for those following a plant-based diet. Last but certainly not least, we have Greek yogurt. This creamy delight provides around 10 grams of protein per 100-gram serving, making it an excellent choice for a protein-packed snack. Greek yogurt is not only rich in protein, but also contains probiotics, which can support gut health. Enjoy it on its own, or add some fresh fruits and nuts for an extra nutritional boost. There you have it, the top 5 highest protein foods. Whether you're a meat eater or a vegetarian, there is something on this list for everyone. Incorporating these protein powerhouses into your diet can help you stay on track with your fitness goals and lead a healthy, active lifestyle. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to nourish your body and boost your protein intake with these fantastic options.